Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you the true power of ChatGPT to help you create transcripts, video titles, scripts, and even full YouTube descriptions, all in just a few clicks. It's my avatar speaking, not me personally. If you get stuck or have questions, drop a comment. The real me will reply and help you out. Let's get started. First, pick any YouTube video you want to work with. Tap the three dots under the video and scroll down until you see Show Transcript. Click on that and the full transcript will appear on the right side. Now, click the three dots above the transcript and toggle off the timestamps. That part is important. Next, highlight the entire transcript, right-click, and copy it. Now head over to ChatGPT. Paste the transcript into the message box, and at the top, type your prompt. Something like, "Can you make 5 YouTube video titles based on this script?" Hit enter, and ChatGPT will start working its magic. Want more? Ask for 10 or even 20 titles. Want them to be more emotional, clickable, or SEO optimized? Just say so in your prompt. Next, let's generate scripts. Choose one of the titles you liked and ask, "Can you write a short video script based on this title?" ChatGPT will give you a ready-to-use 45 to 60-second script. Finally, generate the description. Just type, "Can you write a YouTube description for this script and title?" And that's it. You now have titles, a script, and a description, ready to publish. So if you're a content creator or just trying to save time, ChatGPT can seriously boost your workflow. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.